one of the main components of the ICT education policy framework architecture program is the Accelerator workshop. The idea is to engage all the stakeholders of a project, and based on the methodology we choose, which is based on the analyzing documents, reference documents, best practices, and technical information, and have a discussion around it and produce some kind of presentation or paper on the matter, we will have an engagement of the team or a future team to develop the project. In what concerns the structure of the Accelerator workshop, we divide in 4 different sessions, and each of them focus in a particular aspect we identify as a main challenge for developing an ICT education project. The first session is focused on leadership and vision. The idea is to look at the main reference documents, best practices, but mainly the documents at global level, regional level, or national level, and to have a discussion on the project is framed in this type of global or national policies and visions. The second session is focused on coordination and coherence. One of the aspects the ICT education project have is it involves different stakeholders, public and private, different ministries like Education Ministry, ICT Ministry, Finance Minister, and this coordination and coherence on the program is one of the success aspects we have to analyze, we have to understand, to define and to plan the initiative. The other aspect, because we involved, and it's necessary to involve many stakeholders from civil society, from private sector, and from government or public sector, the partnership models is the focus of the third session. Then this third session, trying to discuss and to see what are the different types of partnership models we can develop, we can use to develop an ecosystem which enables a successful project. And the last aspect, the last session of the workshop is related to the program management itself, the project management, the kind of structure we need, the kind of plans, the kind of budgets, the kind of organization we need to set up and to manage, to follow up, to evaluate the project. These are, in general, the structure of the Accelerator workshop. And around these 4 sessions, the idea is to engage the different partners, the different stakeholders, to be prepared to a program with a very big impact in the country or the region where we develop the initiative.